In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the variable price range in WooCommerce without using a plugin. If you're running an online store with WooCommerce and you want your product pages to appear cleaner or more user-friendly, this tutorial is for you. Sometimes, the price range that WooCommerce automatically displays for variable products can be confusing or simply not ideal for the look and feel of your store. The good news is, with just a little bit of custom code, you can customize how your product prices appear. No plugin required. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look over at the left-hand sidebar. We're going to navigate to the Appearance menu, hover over it, and from the drop-down option, select Theme File Editor. Now, before you start editing, you might see a warning pop up. This is WordPress reminding you to be cautious when editing your theme files directly. It's saying, hey, make sure you know what you're doing. Go ahead and acknowledge that warning. But before you proceed, there's something really important to take care of. Editing theme files can sometimes have unintended consequences, especially if you make a mistake. So it's absolutely essential to make a backup of your site before going any further. If you're not already using a child theme, now's the time to switch to one. A child theme ensures that the changes you make won't get overwritten whenever your theme is updated. If you're not sure how to create a child theme, there are plenty of tutorials online you can refer to. Just don't skip this step. All right, once you're in the theme file editor, you'll see a list of theme files on the right-hand side of the screen. What we're looking for here is the functions.php file. Go ahead and click on it to open it. Now, this file contains a lot of important code that controls how your theme behaves, so scroll carefully to the very bottom of the file. That's where we're going to add our custom code. Here's the code snippet you'll need to paste in. Make sure you place it after any existing code in the file. If the file already has an opening or closing PHP tag, don't add a new one, just drop this code right in. This code works by modifying how WooCommerce displays prices for variable products. Instead of showing a range, it will display the minimum price prefixed with the word from. It's a simple yet effective way to make your product pricing clearer for customers. After you've pasted the code, scroll down to the bottom of the editor and click the Update File button. This will save the changes you've made to the functions.php file. Once the update is complete, WordPress will confirm that your changes were saved successfully. If you don't see any errors, you're good to go. Now it's time to test your changes. Visit a product on your site that has variations and refresh the page. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should see the price range replaced with the new format. Keep in mind, if you're using any kind of caching, whether it's from a plugin or your hosting provider, you'll need to clear your cache to see the updates immediately. This is a step that's often overlooked, so don't skip it. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the variable price range in WooCommerce without needing a plugin. By adding just a small snippet of code, you've made your product pages cleaner and more user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.